Hello everyone. So this chart was obviously bigger. It was from like A5 to 105. So what I did was I clicked the whole cells, all the cells, the data, and I went to insert and clicked table, and this became a table. I then froze the data. I clicked here and I went to data. No, sorry. Where did I go? I went to view and I clicked freeze panes, right? So I clicked the panes here. So when I move down, when I move up, these panes A1 to 5, right, to E1 to 5, they're pretty much immovable, which I didn't know that was possible. So that was definitely something that I learned and I love it. So I can still move around, still see my titles, still see the dates. I then went to conditional formatting to determine, what's how to get the expired packaging. I want to highlight those rules, less than. You can see my formula here. If I highlight this in conditional formatting. So here's my formula here. Okay, it's pretty explained just by looking at it. Okay, so value less than B3 minus D3. Okay, and this gives me the color. It colored the expired items. Then I want to sort. Right, to sort it by package date and department. So sorting, I go to data, I click sort, and it's like already I showed you. Sort by package date, then department, and that's what you can see there. Okay. I went to e-column. I had to do the if function to determine if it has to be discarded, or if it's not expired, we do nothing. So I did this formula you can see here. B, that's B7, but if whatever number in the e-column is less than the B3, less than B3 minus D3, E to discard, A to nothing. So obviously the expired items will be discarded, as we can see. Then I just had to filter to show the expired or discarded items only. So with that, I went to table, and I went to filter, right? And I filtered that. Then I went to table to show the total of what items that are being filtered, which is 8. Okay. I then made a column, first column, by clicking first column for the heading, and I created footer. So what I learned definitely is freezing the data, right? I didn't know that before. I learned conditional formatting. I definitely did not know that either. And I learned how to add total box by going to table, adding total box. Okay. Again, freezing window pane and conditional formatting. I also just kind of learned more of understanding the if function, how to really determine that and kind of analyze how to do it. All right, thank you very much.